Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need digital well-being active and a modern Android build. Once that's confirmed, start immediately. Long press an empty area on your home screen to open widgets. While the picker appears, scroll to find digital well-being or focus mode widgets. These are the only system widgets that expose screen time summary. Tap and hold the widget, then drag it to your chosen home screen panel. This places a live summary tile so you can see usage at a glance without opening the app. Once the widget sits on your screen, configure it. Press and hold the widget and release to reveal size and settings options. Choose a larger size for more detail. 2x2 shows hours and unlock counts. Tap the widget to open its configuration. Select the metric you want displayed, like total screen time or app timers. Make sure app permissions allow usage access so data updates. If you deny access, the widget stays blank. Adjust placement and size for readability and quick access. Finish by exiting edit mode and observing the widget for a few minutes so it can populate. You should see live updates. If it remains empty, go to Settings App Special App Access Usage Access and grant digital well-being permission. This is the most common fix. Once done, force refresh by tapping the widget or reboot your phone. If problems persist, clear digital well-being data or reinstall updates. These steps resolve corrupted cache or settings that prevent screen time from showing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.